Hey everyone! Welcome to Portland, the Rose City. The city where the streets are lined with art, the coffee flows like a never-ending river, and the locals take their weirdness as seriously as their environmentalism. Nestled in the shadow of Mount Hood and cradled by the Willamette River, Portland is a place where creativity knows no bounds, and every corner you turn reveals a new surprise. Today, we're embarking on a walking tour that will take you through the heart of this vibrant, eclectic city. From tranquil gardens and bustling waterfronts to donut shops that defy imagination, we'll explore the sights, sounds, and flavors that make Portland one of the most unique cities in the world. So lace up your walking shoes, grab your reusable water bottle, and get ready to dive into the quirky, green, and endlessly fascinating world of Portland, Oregon. Let's hit the streets and see what this city has to offer. Start your adventure at the Lan Su Chinese Garden, a hidden gem in Portland's Old Town Chinatown. Artisans from Suzhou, China built this authentic garden, and it's a beautiful blend of art, architecture, and nature. As you wander through the garden's pathways, you'll encounter meticulously arranged rocks, tranquil ponds filled with koi fish, and stunning traditional pavilions. Each element is designed to bring balance and harmony, offering a peaceful retreat from the city's hustle and bustle. Don't miss the Tao of Tea House, where you can enjoy a traditional tea experience while soaking in the serene surroundings. It's a perfect way to start your day on a calm and reflective note. After reveling in the tranquil beauty of Lan Su Chinese Garden, it's time to take a stroll on Portland's waterfront and enjoy the view at Tom McCall Waterfront Park. To get there, head south on Northwest 3rd Avenue. Then head east on Northwest Everett Street and walk for about 5 minutes until you reach Northwest Nato Parkway. Continue strolling down the waterfront trail and you'll soon get to Tom McCall Waterfront Park, a vibrant stretch along the Willamette River that offers some of the best views in Portland. This park is named after a former governor who was a champion of Oregon's natural beauty. It's the perfect spot for a leisurely stroll, a brisk jog, or simply sitting by the river and watching the world go by. The park hosts numerous events throughout the year, including the famous Portland Rose Festival. If you're visiting in the spring, you'll be treated to the sight of cherry blossoms in full bloom, a stunning sea of pink against the blue sky. If you go there during the weekends, you can also check out the Portland Saturday Market, an outdoor arts and crafts market that's open from March through December 24th. Take your time to enjoy the views of the city skyline and the iconic bridges that connect Portland's east and west sides. After admiring Portland's natural beauty by the waterfront, it's time to grab some donuts at the Voodoo Doughnut, one of Portland's most famous spots. To get there, head west-southwest Ankeny Street. In just a few minutes, you'll find yourself at Voodoo Doughnut, where the donuts are as quirky and creative as the city itself. This iconic shop is known for its offbeat donut creations, like the Bacon Maple Bar and the Voodoo Doll Donut, complete with a pretzel stake through its heart. The shop's interior is just as funky as the donuts, with eclectic decor and a fun, slightly eerie vibe. The line might be long, but that's part of the experience. And trust us, the wait is worth it. Grab a donut you've never tried before and enjoy a true taste of Portland's unique flavor. After satisfying your sweet tooth at the Voodoo Doughnut, it's time to make your inner bibliophile happy at Powell City of Books. To get there, head north on Southwest 3rd Avenue, then take a left at West Burnside Street. While you're strolling this street, check out the theaters and galleries within this neighborhood. 10 minutes later, you'll soon find yourself at Powell City of Books, the largest independent bookstore in the world and a paradise for book lovers. Located in the heart of Portland, Oregon, this iconic institution occupies an entire city block, making it not just a bookstore, but a sprawling labyrinth of knowledge and imagination. With over 1 million books housed on its shelves, Powell's is a place where you can lose yourself for hours, wandering through endless rows of novels, nonfiction, rare editions, and everything in between. As you step inside, the sheer size of Powell's can be overwhelming, which is why one of the first things you should do is grab a map from the entrance. The store is divided into color-coded sections, each dedicated to a different genre or subject area, allowing you to easily find what you're looking for, whether it's the latest bestseller, a rare first edition, or an obscure title you've been searching for. As you explore, you'll stumble upon cozy reading nooks tucked away in quiet corners, where you can sit down and dive into your latest literary find. The atmosphere is warm and inviting, with the scent of books mingling with the aroma of freshly brewed coffee from the in-store cafe, where you can take a break and enjoy a cup of your favorite brew while thumbing through your new purchase. But Powell's is more than just a bookstore. It's a cultural landmark that embodies Portland's love for creativity, intellectual curiosity, and community. The store regularly hosts author events, book signings, and literary discussions, making it a hub for book lovers and writers alike. After getting lost in a world of literary works, it's time to lounge on Portland's living room, the pioneer Courthouse Square. To get there, head south on Southwest 10th Avenue, and take a right onto Southwest Morrison Street. This bustling plaza is the heart of downtown Portland, where locals and visitors gather for everything from food truck lunches to live performances. The square is surrounded by historic buildings and features the famous Portland, Oregon sign that's perfect for a photo op. Whether you're enjoying a coffee from a nearby cafe or people watching from the steps, Pioneer Courthouse Square is the ideal spot to soak in the city's lively atmosphere. Don't forget to check out the Echo Chamber, a small circular spot where your voice echoes back to you. Just one of the many quirky features that make Portland special. After immersing in Portland's living room scene, it's time to check out the city's extended family room, the South Park blocks. To get there, continue heading south on Broadway. Then turn left onto Southwest Salmon Street. It shouldn't take more than 5 minutes to get there. As you stroll into the South Park blocks, you'll find yourself in one of Portland's oldest and most beloved parks. This green space is a stretch of tree-lined blocks that offer a peaceful escape from the urban hustle. The park is dotted with statues and public art, including the iconic Portlandia statue, a massive copper sculpture that's a nod to the city's mythical namesake. On Saturdays, the park hosts the Portland Farmers Market, where you can sample fresh local produce, artisanal cheeses, and more. Whether you're admiring the towering elm trees or enjoying a moment of quiet reflection, the South Park blocks are a perfect blend of nature and culture right in the city's heart. After enjoying this urban oasis, it's time to visit the Portland Art Museum, the last stop for this walking tour and the oldest art museum in the Pacific Northwest. To get there, just stroll down the South Park blocks until you reach Southwest Jefferson Street, where the Portland Art Museum is located. The museum boasts a vast collection of over 42,000 works, including everything from Native American artifacts to modern and contemporary art. The museum's outdoor sculpture garden is a must-see, offering a serene setting to enjoy art under the open sky. Inside, you'll find rotating exhibits that ensure there's always something new and exciting to discover. Whether you're an art aficionado or just curious, the Portland Art Museum offers a deep dive into the city's creative spirit. It's the perfect way to wrap up your day of exploration in Portland. That's the end of the walking tour of Portland. You've just explored lush gardens, iconic landmarks, and even indulged in some of the city's famous quirks. Whether you're planning your own visit or just enjoying the tour from home, I hope you've gotten a taste of what makes Portland so unique. Which city would you like us to feature next? Comment your answers below. Let's keep this adventure rolling, stay curious, and keep exploring all places walkable. For more contents like this, click like, subscribe, and press that notification button. See you on our next virtual walking tour.